I'm taking a picture. This is February 6, 2010. This is the Snowpocalypse or Snowmageddon. I'm looking outside my front door. Here's the bottom of my storm door. Here's my stoop going outside. I keep shoveling that. And there's probably 1.5 feet above that off the bottom steps, which I didn't get to. Directly in front of me is my car. All you can see is part of the mirror. And there are some neighbors shoveling snow. I'm not going to bother shoveling any snow till tomorrow and Monday. But this is awesome.